Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. In that exercise 2.5, question number 7. The question is given: after 15 years, Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. We don't know her present age, but after 15 years, Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. Okay, so see how to find the solution. I don't know her present age, that's why I'm taking let the present age of Mary, let the Mary's present age, let the Mary's present age is equals to, that is x years. Okay na? So what is the given data here? After 15 years, what is the Mary's age? After 15 years, Mary's age will be, Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. 4 times of her present age. So according to the question, I taken let the Mary's present age is x years. After 15 years means what? That is x plus 15 is equals to 4 times of her present age. That is nothing but 4 of x. Okay na? So this is the required equation. Now see here, x plus 15 is equals to 4 of x, that is 4x. So x is transposing to RHS side, then what happened? 15 is equals to 4x minus x. Okay, now 15 is equals to 4x minus 1x means that is 3x. That is nothing but 3x means the product of 3 and x. 3 is transposing to our LHS side, it becomes into quantity becomes division quantity. So x is equals to 15 by 3, 3 1s are 3 5s. Therefore x is equals to, that is what, 5. X is nothing but what? The present age of Mary. Present age of Mary is equals to, that is 5 years. Okay na? Mary age వచ్చేసి 5 years అయితే ఆఫ్టర్ 15 years ఏమవుతుంది? దట్ ఈస్ 5 plus 15 means 20 years అవుతుంది. Yes, and as well as 4 times of her present age means 4 into 5, that is equals to 20 years. Okay na? So this is the required verification for this question. Now see one more question from this exercise. Okay students, see the next question. The question is given: A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. Okay na? A and B ఇద్దరు కలిసి ఒక వర్క్ని ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు? They finish the work in 12 days. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. If A alone can finish the same work in 20 days. Okay na? Both are together can finish the work in 12 days. But if A alone, A మాత్రమే ఒక్కళ్ళే చేస్తే, they can finish the same work in 20 days. In how many days B alone can finish it? Okay na? So this is the question. So The answer is B. B is 1 day's work. Okay na? Otherwise the data is given like this. A and B. So A plus B is 1 day's work. That is equals to 1 by 12th part. Because of A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. Now that's why A plus B's 1 day's work is equals to, that is 1 by 12th part. And additionally A's 1 day's work is 1 day's work, that is equals to 1 by 20th part. Because of A alone can finish the same work in 20 days. Now that's why A's 1 day's work is equals to, that is 1 by 20th part. If you want B's 1 day's work, B's 1 day's work, 1 day's work, that is equals to A plus B's 1 day's work, A plus B 1 day's work minus A's 1 day's work. Okay, just see the equation. This 1 day's work, that is equals to A plus B's 1 day's work minus A's 1 day's work. Okay, if you want B's 1 day's work, that is A plus B's 1 day's work minus A's 1 day's work. Now A plus B's 1 day's work, that is what, 1 by 12th part, minus A's 1 day's work, that is 1 by 20th part. Okay, now see what I am doing here. By doing cross product rule, 1 into 20, that is 20, minus 12 into 1, that is 12, by the product of the denominators also, 12 into 20, 12 20s are, that is 240. Okay, 1 20s are 20 minus 12 1s are 12, and 12 20s are 240. So we get here 20 minus 12 means, that is 8 by 240. 8 1s are 8 3s are 24, 8 zeros are. So we get 1 by 30. Therefore B alone can finish the same work in how many days, Nana? That is 30 days. Is it clear? A and B together ఇద్దరు కలిస్తే ఓన్లీ 12 days. ఓకేనా, పర్సన్స్ ఎక్కువ అయితే ఆటోమేటిక్గా వర్క్ టైం పీరియడ్ లెస్ తీసుకుంటుంది. ఓకేనా, అదే ఇండివిజువల్గా చేస్తే A can finish the same work in 20 days and B can finish the same work in 30 days. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. Okay students, now see the next one. The question number is 11. The question is given like this manner. 1/4 of a hair of deer has gone to forest. Okay, 1/4 of a hair of a deer has gone to forest. In that, 1/3 of the total number is grazing in a field and the remaining 15 are drinking. Okay na? Clearly we don't know how many number of deers, the total number of deers we don't know, but in that 1/4 of the total number of deers are gone to the forest loki vellipoyayi, and 1/3 of the total number of grazing in a field lo యాజువల్గా గ్రేజింగ్ అంటే తింటాం కదా. అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ 15 ఆర్ డ్రింకింగ్ వాటర్ ఆన్ ద బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఎ రివర్. ఓకేనా, ఒక చెరువులో కానీ ఎక్కడ వాటర్ తాగేస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ త్రీ హింట్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకేనా, one is went to forest and one is grazing in a field and 15 remaining are drinking water. So what is the total number of deers? That's why what I am doing here, the total number of deers is equals to x. We don't know now, that's why x. So 1/3 of 1/4 of the total number of deers, that is 1/4 of x, that is equals to 1/4 into x, that is equals to x by 4. And 1/3 of x, so 1/3 of the total number of deers grazing in a field, that is 1/3 of x means that is equals to 1/3 into x, that is equals to x by 3. And the remaining 15 are drinking water on the bank of a river. Yes, by problem the total number of deers are what? The total number of deers are x is equals to, in that 1/4 అంటే x by 4th of the deers are gone to forest, and 1/3, that is x by 3, 1/3 of the deers are grazing in a field, plus and 15 remaining are drinking water. Okay, so this is the required equation for us. Now what I am doing here, I am transposing these two, x by 4 plus x by 3 to LHS side. So x minus x by 4 minus x by 3 is equals to 15. అంటే ఈ ప్లస్ క్వాంటిటీస్ LHS side వచ్చేసి it becomes minus quantities. Okay, now by taking the LCM of 1, 4 and 3, okay na, by taking LCM we get LCM is what na, that is 12. 4, 3 LCM what? 12. The denominator 1, how many times in the 12? That is 12 times. That's why 12 into x means we get that is 12x minus the denominator is 4. How many times in that 12? That is 3 times. That's why 3 into x means that is 3x minus the denominator 3 is how many times in the 12? 4 times. So 4 into x, that is 4x is equals to 50. Now 12x minus 3x minus 4x, that is minus 7x by 12 is equals to 15. So 12 is transposed into RHS side. So here 12 minus 5 means 12 minus 7 means we get here 5x is equals to here 15. 12 RHS side transfer chestunna, division quantities becomes into quantity. So then again 5 also transpose into RHS side. X is equals to 15 into 12 by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So that is 3 into 12, 36. And the total number of deers are what? That is 36. Let us go for the verification. According to the problem, 1/4 of deers, and that is 1 by 4 into 36. 4 ones are 4 nines are. So 9 deers are went to forest, and 1/3 of total number of deers are grazing in the field. That is 3 ones are 3 twelves are. So 12 deers are grazing in the field, and the remaining 15 are drinking water. So that is 9 plus 12 plus 15, that is equals to 36. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay.